Cirrus, you know?
It's just hyped up. Blurry this camera.
Very careful. That's the modicum.
Different stages of coffee.
And then this is
We're adventuring. Back from the house, safe and sound. Earth stairs. Let's go. Today we're gonna go look around the farm. I've been spiked by the bush.
spiked by the bush. There she is.
You see the pretty plants? You like the pretty plants? Look. Which one's your favorite?
Yeah. It's Monday.
Yeah, it's alright though. These plants are meant to get dirty.
And here is coffee. Coffee. Yeah.
Coffee.
I think this
All
is a
coffee
susumba
plant.
tree growing in here.
What is it?
It might be susumba. I could be wrong.
Zumba.
And then over here too. This is an ackee tree.
Oh.
Yeah.
With the smaller leaves.
And then next to it is a citrus plant.
Okay.
So those are the only two here. And then this is a soursop plant, but there's a coffee in here as well. She's not doing too great, but. And then you can see the papaya, but there's also another coffee in here. But there's two papayas in there, 3 actually. And yeah, another papaya over there, but they're all mostly coffee. This is a callaloo plant that's not doing well. But I spread out some of the seeds, so maybe we'll get some babies. And then one more citrus here, and a guava stuck with this coffee here, but everything else is just straight coffee. Another little, this is a sour plant here, citrus, sad callaloo plant that's not doing anything.
No.
And another little baby coffee behind it. And really healthy coffees like this one. Wow, she's beautiful. Something else.
Oh. Wow.
Orange. I wasn't sure if it's grapefruit.
There are some grapefruits planted, but I mean, you know, those trees will take a little bit longer, but we won't be able to see those yet. We'll just have to, this smells like orange. Try the leaf, just kind of squeeze the leaf a little bit in your hand and then smell. That smells like orange. You can get that, right?
Yeah. Let me see.
Yeah. That's not lime. And then smell the leaf and your hand. Then you can really smell lime. That's a mature lime.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah. Like what you cook with, all of that. Yeah, man.
Definitely
Yeah.
lime.
There's some coffee beans. Oh. Are you are you sun drying them?
Yeah, I'm sun drying them for now.
Okay.
These got a little bit of dampness because of the last couple of days of extreme rain, but they should have been on their way to drying.
Lots of sun today.
Password, look, you've unlocked.
Too easy.
By this thing, there's some sort of a beetle that loves these coffee trees, and they're eating them before they get really good. Really.
And that's ready to pick, that one?
Could get a little redder, but
Healthy
that's how I'm
coffee
gonna pick
beans.
it right now. You know?
Yeah, because it seems if it goes any further, sometimes it goes.
This
Sick.
is the tree that got that beetle that's giving all the other mothers the problem.
It's got the leaves and...
I'd like to strip this entire tree and see if it will come back. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna strip this entire tree and see if it lives. So like that. Even if we're not doing work down there, you'll be able to go down there. See here on the right hand side, this was the guest house. It's being redone now. And then to the right of that is a big shopping front.
Yes, you mentioned the guest house was being renovated.
Yeah, but
Lemons.
come over here and look under here at this.
Rotted.
Yeah, and then if you really want to see something crazy, come
that.
inside here and look underneath up here.
Wow. Some serious
Whoa.
lemons.
Ponderosa lemon.
They look like coconuts.
Right?
They're like a whole
We
jelly.
have that tree young right outside the bar now,
at
so
that.
we're gonna have this finally. We're not gonna have to rely on this tree, which is Mark's tree. We'll be able to really get our own thing going, you know? Yes, I. Oh wow, up there is some two big ones up there, you know. Look way up there. If you look
Oh,
way
I
up in
see
there, you
them.
can see, and they're ready
Deep
too.
in there.
They're ready.
Wow.
They're big and they're yellow.
I can't shoot her. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. When you see them, you see them.
Yeah. They're like, hello.
Look up
here.
here.
I'll leave you for today. You have to be really careful because the hike begins now. To get to the others, but I'd say that Jesse and Mark have upwards of 40 acres each.
You want to go in
But we
front.
mostly work on Jesse's side. So yeah, it's about 40 acres for what we have accessible. And you can see the giant bamboo roots.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at
Down
that.
here, I'll show you as it continues why we don't. Yeah.
Is there more?
I told you guys, it's not fake. It's the real deal farming.
Yeah, man.
No joke. This was our commute to work during Corona every day. So you can see, you can start to see now that down inside the reserve is sort of it's a flood zone. The water comes down in the natural waterways that goes.
These bamboos. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
We're gonna see my favorite route very soon. Right before we get to the river.
How old do you think these bamboos are? No idea. Or
Some of them are 20-year roots. But if you want to see something spectacular, take a look at this in all of her glory.
Wow.
I mean, that's intense. This one was even bigger, but half the root. When we had really rough rains more than a year ago, half of this root turned over. So it went down into the gully. But this was as big as this root, but you can see where it all broke.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
So we're kind of working hard to bring back this section of the farm here, which was a project that I've been working on for Mark, which is a little banana project there. And now you can sort of see where the flood goes to, why that's an eco zone over here, because it continues to flood and go down to that basin. You can even tell that that basin during the rains was full of water.
so that just fills up.
That doesn't,
The little archway.
so it all leads to the dam.
Sweating.
Wow, Jesse's farm down. They broke two of Jesse's trees. So this is part of Jesse's farm that goes up and around on either side going that way. But you can see the damage caused from the storm down here. Big damage.
Wow.
Soursop
Yeah,
trees.
there was a storm,
Two
guys.
soursop trees got hit by the falling big trees here. That's a shame because those were really precious bananas that just went down. But their babies are standing. See,
Oh,
the next generation is standing up. So,
That's good.
and this is the little project right here that I was. We've just been working to free them up, and you can see some planting growing here.
Mm-hmm.
Two big planting bunches here.
Oh, I
This tree's
see.
soon coming down. Because it's got all this planting, but it's still got a ways to go. You can see it's overtaken by yam roots.
Yam
We've been
roots.
trying to save all of these trees because when I was gone, They were left to overgrow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we've been working to free them up. Let's see what's happening with the river today. Wow. Whoa.
Yeah,
Normally
I
this
would
is a little
imagine.
stream, not today.
Oh wow.
But if we had come here the other day while the rains were going, you'd see a lot of little natural waterways that emerge when rain is torrential here. As you can see how high up the water came. Look at this. The water was all the way up here. Clean off your shoes a little bit. All right. Let's check it. Yeah, the water came all the way up here actually. You can see the water came way up. And we're on it essentially right now. This little plot that we're on, with a stream going around it, it's a bamboo island. This root essentially is the only thing holding this little island together.
Oh wow.
You can see the water goes all the way around it. But I'm going to take you guys to the pool where everyone swims. There were two parts. There's one here and there's a big one over there. But this, because of this little mock dam that we have here, this became our This became our de facto swimming hole. So what you'll see here now, that you can just
Nice little pool.
So, but look at how high the water came. The water was all the way up here. Pushed all this down. It came
I
right over
see,
here and
yeah.
pushed out the whole of this.
Let's see what is.
And look at the bamboo forest.
Oh wow.
It's all bamboo forest, man. And this is the spot. So many of our friends, so much of our family wake up in the morning, hike down here, swim down here, bathe down here, have ceremonies down here. We've had some people come through here from all over. Crazy one. And you can't see the water because every inch of it is covered in hyacinth. It's really wild. Yeah, and essentially after this, you can go to the dam, but today it's going to be too long and too hard to get there after those rains.
This is
So
beautiful.
this is the spot. So
Yeah,
keep
man,
it
this
imprinted
is-
into your mind.
This is beautiful.
This is where you can come down and swim in the morning time.
Yeah, man.
Carry some tea down here, cold tea down here, and drink and swim and chill out. And over there's plenty of clearing work to do that we'll be doing a lot more of in the days when we come back. We're going to be working with Jesse on his side. Look at that. Perch, everything in there. Beautiful river perch. That's what we want. We want to introduce fish life, aquatic life back into this. We have some plans over by the dam to clean off all the water hyacinths and then to put in a whole bunch of river perch. Beautiful spring. Do the same thing. Put some water on your face. So you guys let me know if you want to start this prod back up.
Alright, yeah, man. Look at this beautiful.
Be much easier because that is going to be.
Does it go far that way?
Huh?
Is there a walk far that way?
They're the same.
No,
do it with the lines.
Mash it here. Oh yeah. That's a British steel now. One going gun. All right, hold on, man.
A mosquito bite right on my forehead. You see it?
On the side.
Right there. It's red.
No, you can't see too much.
Can't see it. Can't see it. This is a beautiful little island.
I see one more
I need to
here.
stop. I need to stop talking like that because I'm gonna watch this back and be like, yeah, man.
That's when you're really going to want to video some content because he's going to go through every part and how everyone's doing it. And you're like, oh, this is not so impossible. It just looks crazy because of the grade of the hill.
Yeah. The hill and the mud from the rain is like the big part.
Exactly. So
That
this
was it.
place will completely dry down when we come back here after our little trip. we're going to see this place much.
Yeah. Good to see what we're getting ourselves into. We need to get.
But actually, it's good that the first time you guys walk it is when it's at its most
At its
slippery.
worst.
That's actually the greatest way to learn. because
Yeah.
You're learning it at its most fragile.
Chopped into the deep end.
And
Yeah.
exactly, you guys were thrown into the extremity of this farm before. When the days are hot and serious, you know?
Just hiked up in the rain.
And the more you do it, the more you walk up that hill, the more you're gonna say, "Wow, remember a few weeks ago when I could barely walk up?"
Oh, it's very blurry, this camera.
Very careful. But it's still slippery.
Like the grip trainers.
Yes, I'm wearing. I used to wear boots with that girl.
No bad mind. Love only, I hear that.
Bad mind.
Living daylights.
That's the modicum.
Different stages of coffee.
And then this is the last stage. This is the seed stage.
They're squeaky.
So that's the
Yeah.
first stage?
No, this is the last
Last
stage.
oh.
If you don't pick them, this is what they will be. That's to be reseeded. This will drop.
So
and
that's
seed.
without.
I've never
doing
seen
this.
that before.
What's without doing this?
This.
No, this is if you were to never pick them and you were to let them dry out and die, inside would become representative of seeds that would grow back. But that's also the coffee bean. But the coffee bean itself is a seed. Coffee beans are seeds.
Oh, two came out of that one.
Two come out of all of them.
Ah.
Some
what
will
does
only have
this
one,
taste
some will
like?
have three.
Does this have a flavor?
No, it would taste nasty.
Nasty.